Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to today morning session on Friday, May 27 on 2022, 9 a.m. sharp, New York time, less than 30 minutes for the market to open. We are watching right now NASDAQ futures with a big move with NASDAQ up more than 1% to start the day. And very nice follow-through continuation from the Tuesday deep buying, okay, that we did in our long-term portfolio account. So if you follow me on Twitter and also on Discord, the premium members saw me getting in, moving 25% from cash into long-term SP500 in the long-term accounts on SP500 longs on Tuesday. And we seeing a very nice from Tuesday, very nice deep buying here for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Nice big move, 3-day move from the lows on Tuesday. So congratulations to everyone. And the big question is now what? Is the bottom for the year? Is the bottom for the quarter? Is the bottom for the next 10 years? No one really knows. We trade day by day, and on Tuesday it seems a bit that sellers were exhausted and we start seeing some buying. That's why I put for the first time this year, okay, for 2022, the first time this year that I put from the cash count moved 25% long. So it was a nice entry. Now we need more, okay? We need follow through continuation. Nice action this morning on NASDAQ. Very nice relative strength, but we are right at the 21-day moving average. So what I want to see first, if they are able to push above the 21-day moving average. Above that we have a big, and that's the biggest supply zone, okay? And from there we will reevaluate. One thing is for sure, after a 3-day bounce, okay, on the way up, you should be trimming your gains, in my opinion. On the short term, we are bullish, but we are still not out of the woods. What we need? We need the NASDAQ and SP500 and all the rest to stay above the 8 and 21-day moving average and to start a bull run as we saw here on March, okay? As we saw here on March, doing something like this for a nice 3 weeks upside momentum. We still not there, okay? We are right at 21-day moving average. We need to break something like this, stay above for the next couple of sessions and ride the momentum higher for a big short squeeze. And even though we can roll over as we have in the past, okay? So staying open-minded and be careful. One thing is for sure, the deep buying was a good one, but bulls, okay, bulls, if they want it first, they need to break above 21. They need to break above this resistance line and resume up. So trade day by day, and from there we will evaluate. Once again, we need to look for the leaders. Apple. We got on Apple on Wednesday. We got calls 142, I believe. I closed way too soon, but yesterday I missed the re-entries, but I was playing Tesla, so we cannot get every single day. Tesla calls were amazing, basically doubled in 15 minutes, and 2 hours or 3 hours later they were all the way from $2.80 all the way above $20. So it happens. It was a beautiful trade, so congratulations everyone. On Apple, very nice follow-through continuation for our Wednesday calls. Yesterday they bought deep perfectly, okay, below 138, push it back above 138 and boom. Big reversal by an engulfing day, gapping up this morning above 144, right now at 145. What I want to see if they are able to hold the gap and resume higher. What is the next logical? the first one, 21-day moving average 148. If we look for NASDAQ is already at 21-day moving average. We need the rest of the tech names to resume higher, to hit the 21-day moving average. So Apple needs first to hold 145. Actually, if it fades a bit, needs to hold 144 to fill the gap and resume higher for a possible move into 148. But once again, we need to see it, and it will be a focus. AMD yesterday had a big move. Once again, I cannot get every single name, so I was focused on Tesla, and we were all over the Tesla. First 2 minutes of the day we short Tesla pushing down. It was nice. Then we got twice on the call 700, and both trades, all three trades on Tesla were amazing. Very nice cash flow, so congratulations to everyone. On AMD, following the NVDA earnings, basically they bought with two hands $91 and pushed it very fast above previous day's highs, and boom, above the 8 and 21-day moving average. Lots of momentum going back into $100. This morning at $100. So keeping here, if you are long, you should be trimming some of the gains. If extends a little bit, we can go into 104. And the last level, if we even squeeze some more, we have a gap to fill at 106, so that can be a level on AMD. Looking for the big picture, yeah, we seeing here a possible move above 105 can trigger a big move all the way above 110. But one step at a time. Let's wait for a confirmation before putting too much risk here into the long run. Facebook, amazing. I missed this gap filling on Facebook. Fill the gap at 191, so congratulations to all the longs. Now, if you are long, you should be trimming some of the gains. We are at 192 right now. If extends 195, it's the next level above that $200. But on the way up, after 1, 2, 3, today day 4, you should be trimming your gains on the way up, and congratulations to all the longs. IWM seems getting a little bit extended, so we had a nice bounce. Once again, they bought 175 several times, 174, 175, they bought it several times. And we had 1-2 days, today day 3, gapping up a little bit above 183.8. If extends, I would be trimming most of the gains. Can it go higher? Yes, it can. The big question is if it's able to hold the momentum for much longer before fading and some consolidation. In my opinion, 1, 2, 3 days, if extends some more, you should trim 50% of your position, raise the stops on the rest, and wait to see if it has some more fuel on the tank or not. JP Morgan was amazing run. We shorted a bit JP Morgan for a small cash flow. Then I step aside and they keep squeezing. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Don't forget that basically from last Friday lows, from 115 we are above 130, so it was $15 move in 1 week. Pretty much insane. In my opinion, if you are long, you should be trimming most of your gains. Give it some time for a rest, some consolidation here, printing a bull flag, and from there we will evaluate. Microsoft also gapping a little bit this morning. Microsoft, in my opinion, should go above 268.3 to make new highs for the week, and we have 270, and above that 275. That's the next biggest supply zone, and there should be a level for a fade on Microsoft. So congratulations to all long stream profits on the way up. NVDA, what can I say? Yesterday I said that it was bearish below 160, but they had a big bounce from 152 all the way into 162, so $10 bounce, and that means a lot, overnight. So basically yesterday they bought with two hands. I missed this. I don't like to chase these kind of moves because we never know if it will roll over and from there it goes. So I did not chase the candle, but they did not even roll over. They held and resumed higher. So congratulations to all the longs. It was a beautiful trade. Right now 181. In my opinion, on the way up you should trimming your gains. It has a big supply zone around here, so this is a possible level to fade. If it goes, yeah, it can go some more. We have here between $190 and $200, but not sure if it will have some fuel on the tank to go and feel that move higher in the next couple of sessions. On the cubes, pretty much the same. Right now 302. In my opinion, for the bull case, bulls need to go above 306, okay, 306.56. They need to go, okay, for the bull case and try to make new highs for in the next couple of sessions, okay. We had a big supply zone above 310 all the way into 315, so that's the level for a fade in my opinion. If it goes some more, yeah, we have some more area here, but for now a very nice double bottom here. Now we need follow through continuation for the upside, and congratulations to all the longs. SPY. What can I say about SPY? We got long on SP 500. We got long on Tuesday. Okay, here. Okay. It was a beautiful one when we saw a reversal by setup. We got on the long-term portfolio account. They were basically holding these big washout lows on the year so far, and here made pretty much a higher low, and the rest is pretty much history. So congratulations. This was the candle that made me move into 25%, move 25% of my long-term account into long SP 500, and that was the wise decision. Right now we have almost 200 points up on SP 500 since Tuesday low, so congratulations everyone. Now what? We are gapping up this morning a little bit above 408. In my opinion, for the bull case, they need to move above 408.57, okay? But on the way up, you should be trimming gains, not heading to the longs, unless it's a scalp, okay? The time to head to long-term portfolio account was here on Tuesday when we got in, and I also gave you publicly on Twitter, on my Twitter account, I gave you saying that I was getting long on SP 500. That was the time to buy. Right now should be time to trim some, raise the stops on the rest, and keep riding the momentum. If it goes above 408.57, we have a big level 410. And if it breaks and resumes, it can squeeze all the way here, okay, when they solve it. That's the big level, needs 430. But first needs above 410 and above 410. Big $20 range here on SPY to watch. The biggest trade yesterday was actually on Tesla. We short Tesla in the first 2 minutes of the session. It was a very fast scalp, very nice cash flow. After that, I flip into calls and I played the upside, and we got back in once again on this candle here. Okay, on this candle, I got, sorry that you are not seeing. Let me try to bring the chart. Okay, now you see it. We bought, sorry, once again, we bought this pullback here on the calls 700 at $2.80. So I can put here the chart on the calls. Okay, so just to give you an idea, the low of the day was at 248. We got at $2.80, and it gone all the way into 25. Okay, and I closed mine a bit too soon, above 580. Because I doubled in 15 minutes, so I was pretty much happy, and after that, boom, it's gone. So we cannot predict the future, we can only trade what we see, and I was very happy. It was a heavy scalp. I had 3 scalps on Tesla yesterday, so I didn't like to push, and I was very happy with the trade, so congratulations everyone. Now, Tesla gapping up, okay, gapping at 724 this morning. First, I want to see if it holds above 718. That's a gap to fill. If extends, it has room to go into 750, 765. That's a big level in my opinion. But once again, on the way up, you should be trimming gains, not adding to the longs. Okay. So going back into NASDAQ, NASDAQ stalled at 21-day moving average. So that's logical. That's a logical. If you got long with us on Tuesday, 1, 2, 3 days bounce, you should be trimming most of the, especially on 21-day moving average. And from there we see if Nasdaq goes from green to red, it will be painful. It will catch a lot of stops lower, and you will get stop on your longs. You can scalp some shorts, trying to generate some cash flow there. But if it goes above 21-day moving average, then you have last week lows as the last week highs as the resistance, and above that big supply zone all the way here. So, but once again, on the way up, you should be trimming your gains. With this said, we have 14 minutes, exactly 14 minutes for the market to open. I would like to thank you all for watching the 9 a.m. briefing. Please give a like and subscribe to the channel. It's free. Trying to help the traders community around the world. So hope that you enjoyed, and wish you all a great trading. Don't forget that the market is closed on Monday, so we will not have the 9 a.m. briefing on Monday because the market is closed, but we will be back on Tuesday for another week. So enjoy your long weekend, have some time to relax, and spend some time with your family or friends. Do what you love to do, and the market will be here once again next week. Stay tuned, stay safe, see you all next week. Bye bye everyone, have fun.